As far as those fronts are concerned, they're already beginning to bring rain into the far southwest, and during the rest of the night this area of rain is going to push into Wales and most central and southern parts of England. Some of the rain turning out to be rather on the heavy side, the wind picking up as well. Elsewhere though, mostly a dry night with well broken cloud, although there will be some showers around in the far northwest. And then tomorrow, well, much of England and Wales starting off dull and wet, the rain pretty soon getting into Northern Ireland as well, and during the morning pushing into northeast England and southern parts of Scotland. Again, some of the rain on the heavy side. Not raining all day though, because later on in the morning somewhat brighter weather, although with a few showers, will come into Wales and western parts of England, into Northern Ireland as well. And then in the second part of the day, the somewhat drier and brighter weather working its way across to many central and eastern parts of England, although not the northeast. Southern Scotland too holding on to the rain right to the end of the day. The brightest of the weather tomorrow will be in the north of Scotland, where there'll be some sunshine and just one or two showers. Well, that's it. A very good evening to you.
If you're a science fiction fan, there's still time to switch over to BBC2, where they've just started a story from The Outer Limits called The Architects of Fear. And before we bid you good night, here's a look at some of our programmes tomorrow on BBC1. The Sunday film at 7:15 finds an intrepid group of explorers at the Earth's core, where Doug McClure and Peter Cushing discover a terrifying prehistoric world enclosed in a subterranean cave. At 8:45, there's a special semi-final of Mastermind between the four best losers from the heats, whose specialist subjects range from the life of Richard III to the novels of Neville Shute. Eddie Shoestring tries to help a psychiatrist restore a patient's memory at 9:15, and after the news, Everyman at 10:20 visits Nicaragua to discover the effects of the unstoppable revolution. With highlights of the summer cricket season reviewed by Peter West at 10:55, these are your programmes for Sunday evening on BBC1. You'll find full details of all BBC television and radio programmes in Radio Times. And speaking of radio, Radio 2 would be very happy to count you amongst their late-night listeners. You'll find Bob Kilby hosting The Late Show at the moment, and Colin Berry will be looking after you and the night and the music at 2:02. But with the time now creeping up to 20 minutes past midnight, from BBC1, good night to you.